Salut tout le monde. Maintenant, nous allons traiter les participes présents en anglais. C'est ce qu'on appelle le present participle. These are verb forms that are used to present events as they are in the course of action. When expressing verbs in the participe present form, you don't have to worry about conjugation. It is formed by taking the infinitive form of the verb and adding the suffix ant for er verbs and issant for ir and re verbs. Don't worry, we are going to be seeing some examples. So for the verb chanter, the verb to sing, this is the participe present form. For the verb to drink, boire, this is the participe present form. So we have chantons, buvons, montons. So let's look at some sentences. So using naviguer, the verb to navigate. Let's see. So look at this sentence. Naviguons sur mer calme, le navire progressait à grande allure. Sailing on a calm sea, the ship progressed at high speed. So in this case, naviguons is the participe present form for naviguer. Let us see the verb to melt, fondre. La neige fondant au soleil n'a pas tenu plus d'une heure. The snow melting in the sun didn't last more than an hour. So we have fondant, melting. Finally, we have écouter. Elle marche rapidement en écoutant de la musique. En écoutant, that is, she is marching rapidly while listening to music. En écoutant, while listening. This is how we use participe présent. So one last thing, something to help you in your written and spoken expressions. Look at this. Ceci étant dit. This means that being said. Ceci étant dit. So this is something you can use in your written and spoken French. For example, I could say, ceci étant dit, je dois démissionner. That is, that being said, I must resign. So this is what ceci étant dit means, or ceci étant, that being. Ceci étant dit, that being said. This is just a tip of the iceberg as to how you can use participe présent. I could say, hier soir, en regardant la télévision, je me suis coincé mon nerf sciatique. That is, yesterday evening, while watching the television, I bruised my sciatic nerve. En regardant, while watching. Yesterday evening, while watching the television, I sprained or I bruised my sciatic nerve. En regardant. Alright, so try to incorporate participe présent in your written and spoken French. It will make your French look a little bit more mature. So see you in the next class.